TOMS shoes. This is the advertisement that's signed this week. And here's a sample of what we'll be creating. And of course, you'll make your own design. Let's go to D2L and kind of walk through this. Always go through the overview and read through this to make sure that you're conveying the right message in your advertisement or whatever you're creating for the week. Okay? Read the objectives, outcomes, access your learning resources, any links like principles of design. Please go through this and make sure you understand the basic design principles that make a good layout. We will definitely be talking about all of these through our critiques throughout the entire semester, but please read through, view the samples, just to review what makes a good advertisement. The slide tutorial is what we're going to go through today, and this should give you step-by-step instructions for the advertisement assignment. So introduction, again, read through everything. It won't take long. They're pretty detailed of what is required. So your project prompt, what we're doing, a full page advertisement that's going to go into a women's magazine. The goal here is to showcase the shoe as a stylish, comfortable, and versatile, perfect for outdoor adventures or everyday wear. So what are you going to be doing? Well, first of all, this client's going to provide you assets. They're going to give you the TOMS logo, the copy that needs to be in the advertisement, and it's giving you 6 shoe images that you can use. You must use one of the images, but the other images that you might put in here will be your choice and something you've got to find online or shoot yourself if that's possible. Okay? Going to the next one. This is the contents, the text contents, and there is a text file provided, so you don't have to copy this down, but just a way to go back and access this if you need to. Background imagery is going to be, of course, your choice. What story are you telling? Are you going to be in the outdoors? You're going to be on a patio? Whatever that might be. Think of the story that you're going to be putting together. Design requirements, product focus, what message, what background image, what font are you going to be using. Make sure all of these blend well together to, again, tell the story, to get your advertisement out there with the proper topic. Visual hierarchy goes through with the principles of design. 5. Here's the deliverables. You're going to provide a 1 full-page ad with the exact specs that are listed here with the bleed, and you're going to provide a package folder and also an additional PDF with printer marks. 6. Again, in every tutorial slide, I will provide you exact dimensions on how to start the process of InDesign, creating a new file. And then give you prompts of make sure you place the logo, place the provided copy, choosing graphics. One must be from the asset folder. Additional images can be downloaded from the TOMS website. And if you want you've got to put a background image in here of some sort. And again, that's going to be your choice. We're going to be making sure you're checking for all spelling errors, running spell check, and everything should be must be print ready. That'll happen when you package things or prior to packaging. I've walked through you how to make the package file or package folder. Here's a sample with the crop marks with the PDF, and then we'll follow at the end with samples. And these samples are prior to the fall 2025 semester. The requirements have changed. But it gives you a sample of, okay, are you indoors, outdoors? What kind of story, again, are you going to be telling? So going back to, let me see. There we go. Nope, back. All right, so you can start here. So let's go ahead and go to our InDesign file, which again, this one's already created, but we'll go ahead and start this just to give you an idea of how to get some production going. And we'll continue in the next video.